Certified 3D Designer. Blockchain Council brings you the Certified 3D Designer certification. 3D designers create three-dimensional models, animations, and visual effects for various creative projects like video games, VR experiences, and the metaverse. The need for three-dimensional design spans many different industries and applications, which include art, architecture, entertainment, science, and engineering. The demand for skilled 3D designers has seen tremendous growth in the recent past as a large volume of content is now shifting from 2D to 3D. The Certified 3D Designer certification is created to provide you with an in-depth understanding of 3D designing using popular tools like Blender. You get to learn 3D designing with hands-on projects, starting from simple to complex 3D designs, loaded with multiple tips and tricks and creative guidance. It includes fundamentals of 3D, creating characters, basics of materials and modeling, complex modeling, 3D interior design, landscaping, lighting, and 3D animation. Certifications offered at Blockchain Council are recognized globally. The Certified 3D Designer certification will not only help you in upskilling yourself but also act as proof of knowledge to enhance your career prospects. Along with lifetime access to the course and certification, you will also receive 24/7 doubt support from Blockchain Council. So stop waiting and enroll to become a certified 3D designer today.